Welcome back to Biker Wish. Today, we're diving into a legend reborn. A machine that ruled the streets in the late 70s and early 80s, and now Honda is bringing it back with a futuristic twist. If you're a true motorcycle enthusiast, you already know the name, the Honda CBX1000. But the 2026 version? It's something else entirely. So stay locked in, because what you're about to see might be the most exciting comeback in modern motorcycling. The legend returns. The original CBX1000 was famous for its iconic inline-six engine, a unique sound, unmatched smoothness, and road presence like no other. For decades riders begged Honda to revive it, and now in 2026, Honda finally said yes. And let me tell you, they didn't just bring it back, they reinvented it. Engine and performance. Let's talk power. The new 2026 Honda CBX1000 features a 998 cubic centimeters inline-six engine. Yes, Honda kept the most legendary part of the bike alive. Now with modern engineering, advanced ride-by-wire, liquid cooling, and a new 6-stage traction system, the CBX1000 delivers 165+ horsepower with buttery-smooth delivery. This bike isn't just fast, it's intoxicating. Expect a top speed touching 240 km/h and an acceleration curve built for both street thrill and track precision. Design and styling. Honda went full neo-retro. The 2026 CBX has a classic muscular stance with a modern LED setup, exposed 6-header pipes, and a sleek digital analog hybrid instrument cluster. The tank has those old-school CB contours, but the body is sharpened, aerodynamic, and premium. Think nostalgia plus future tech equals pure visual perfection. Chassis and handling. A bike with a 6-cylinder heart needs a proper foundation, so Honda gave it a lightweight steel aluminum hybrid frame, premium Showa suspension, and dual Brembo radial discs with cornering ABS. Handling is surprisingly sharp for a 6-cylinder motorcycle, and stability is one of its strongest points. Technology package. This isn't a 1979 CBX, this is a 2026 masterpiece. Full TFT display. Riding modes, Sport, Street, Rain, Custom. Launch control. Quick shifter, up-down. Cruise control. Smartphone connectivity. Honda Smart Key System. Honda packed it with everything modern riders expect. Comfort and touring capability. Even with all that power, the CBX1000 offers upright ergonomics, a comfortable seat, and optional touring accessories like panniers and heated grips. This isn't just a show-off machine, it's a bike you can actually live with every day. Price and expected launch. Honda is positioning this as a premium flagship naked. Expected price? Around $15,999 to $17,999 USD depending on variants. Launch window is set for late 2026 in the US and international markets. Final thoughts. The Honda CBX1000 2026 is more than a motorcycle, it's a tribute, a comeback story, and a statement. Honda took something legendary and brought it into the future without losing its soul. And honestly, this might be one of the most exciting motorcycles of the decade. Outro. If you loved this breakdown, hit that like button and drop a comment. Should Honda release more retro modern 6-cylinder machines? This is Biker Wish, and I'll see you in the next ride. Stay safe, ride hard, and keep the legend alive.